Hello! Today, I would like to share with you a video of image to video. The workflow is based on LTX 2.3. These a multi-image to video. You can take a look. This workflow looks more complicated. It actually requires us to operate only this first part. This part belongs to the result area. This is part of the workspace. Basically, no operation is required. Upload a picture first. Upload image. Here are two functions for you. The first is to directly upload foregrid image. The second is to upload 4 separate pictures. If you upload the foregrid image, just choose to here. There are remarks here. The second is to upload the foregrid image. If you fill in one, you need to upload 4 separate pictures. And then there are a few more parameters, and that's 12 seconds. This is 16 frames. This is scaled to the longest side. Currently filled in is 832. It will work better if you put it in 1020. 1920 is also possible, but this one will take an extra long to run. There are also 2 functional LoRa's here. One is responsible for this silkier transition. This one is responsible for making the movement of objects more logical. Generally, this mode can be turned on. If you want to replace LoRa, you can get the LoRa you want here. For example, you can put the LoRa of the subtitles here. Next is the prompt word to fill in. There are 3 ways to do this. The first is to use the storyboard controller directly. That's the one below. Do such a filling of the prompt word. I'll talk about this later. Let me start with the second one. The second is to manually add prompt words. Then the AI will optimize. That's rule number 2. And the third is that you don't need to add hints. AI will directly based on your pictures. To generate such a corresponding video, let's talk about the first storyboard. Controller this. This is the latest hot node. Of course, first of all, thank KJ Boss. Go to his GitHub and give the boss a like. Point a star. This has already been ordered. Let me share with you a simple way to use this mirror controller. What about the specific tutorial? You can go to see the T8 Boss. Fisher Boss, one of their related explanations. Here is a brief description of its function. Is to increase the storytelling. Reduction of storyboards. Mean splitter. You can also choose according to your preference. Increase or decrease the length of a storyboard. Here's a crucial parameter. What is the total frame number of this frame? How did this total frame number come about? So here's a duration and a frame rate. Duration multiplied by frame rate plus 1 is the total frame number. If you don't want to do the math yourself, you can fill in 12 seconds by yourself here. Then click Run. In about 15 seconds. Here we calculate a new total frame number. You can fill in this total frame number here. Take a look, it's almost 16 seconds. Usually after about 15 seconds, a new total frame number will appear. After it appears, click Cancel Run. Then fill in this new total frame number here. Just do it. After filling it out, you can choose. This is the length of each of your storyboards. Let's say we want the second shot to last longer. So slippery. Here's some key pieces of data. This is the 0-49 of the first line. The first picture. This one starts at frame 0. Second picture. The second picture is from frame 49. 49 is okay. The third picture, because your second picture took a long time to generate. The third section time is relatively short. Here is the adjustment. You can change it to 114 here. And then third, if you want to adjust. Change to 157. Is that so? You can control each storyboard more intuitively. Such a length. It's very convenient. There's another one. The prompt word for each clause should be written here. The first clause prompts the second, third, fourth. Then write the total prompt words here, like a handsome guy or a beautiful woman. Or what kind of weather is it? About this workflow, that's all there is to it. There are 2 more details to share with you. I just talked about the input graphics. If it is 1, and that's what I'm using to feed it into the controller. And 2 and 3. 2 words are controlled by your prompt words. After such optimization of the large language model, 3 words are, you don't have to fill in the prompt. Large language model directly based on your picture. Generate the corresponding prompt word. Create a video. The 2 optimization nodes are at this location. Using Gemini 3, large language model, there is a certain amount of free credit every day. If the free quota runs out, you may need to recharge or turn these 2 off. This is today's sharing. The main function is that you can upload a 4 palace grid or upload 4 single frame pictures used to generate video. What about this workflow? I have shared it on the Running Hub. Running Hub is a great platform. Many of the latest technologies will also be updated as soon as possible. Register via my link. Also earn 1,000 points. Log in every day and you will get 100 points. If used lightly, it is equivalent to free. That's all for today's sharing. Thanks for watching.